We got this from the Airbnb host today, and I think this is traditional bread from the area. It tastes like egg.
It looks like egg.
Today we are going to Sagres Vacations, and it's probably one of the most underrated nature parks because no one knows about it. But it's supposed to be super beautiful. It's like filled with mountains. It has these small villages.
We are meeting up with a tour company who will guide us, so we have local experts with us. You know that we work with Sagres Vacations quite a lot when we travel around Portugal. On this trip, obviously, it's different because we are not driving around with Joel as our driver. Instead, we have our own car. So the way it works this time is that we asked Sagres Vacations if they could plan some of our activities. So also to show you guys that you don't have to pay to have your own driver and everything. You can do it much cheaper. So if you want to go to Portugal and you don't know where to go, where the best things are to do, Sagres Vacations will do that for you. And today we'll show you just how good it is. Are you filming?
Yes!
Okay.
Do you want to get closer now?
Let's get closer. That's what she said. Whoa.
Hey.
Ricardo,
Hi.
what are we doing exactly here? We're in the middle of nowhere.
We're in Viana do Castelo in Serra d'Arga. This is going to be a trekking tour along the waterfalls. This is a very special place because it's not really known into the locals. This is like very pure. There's no tourism around. There's no tourism here.
But nobody knows about this place.
Almost.
And we have another.
I like to call her Jenna Coleman because she looks like Jenna Coleman.
Jenna Coleman?
No.
Who's that?
No, me neither.
Okay, well it's a compliment.
Reina?
Marina.
Marina.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you jumping
I
in?
kind of wish that I could because it looks so clear and cold water is good for the bones, you know.
Is it better to walk barefoot here or what?
It depends on your shoes, right?
Yes, there's shoes.
This is more slippery than our YouTube career, Amalie.
Ja.
Amalie, tag nu dine solbriller og giv mig dem, altså. Skat, du har ikke begge hænder ledige, altså. She always have to have something in her hand.
Give me your hand.
Look at the glamping.
This is like, imagine you stay here, you just go for a little swim in the river and it's very cute.
I'm not sure this is a good idea, Ricardo.
Here.
Huh?
It will be. But don't show these on.
Are you gonna be the guinea pig?
No, I will be the tester.
Ah! Wish me luck, Amalie.
I'm filming it, so if you die, I have something for the insurance
Okay,
company.
but hold it horizontally.
Okay.
Don't grab because this is not safe, okay? I haven't told you, but we have no insurance on the company. So if you die, but we're still a premium company.
This is... Get your cute little ass over here.
I feel like jumping just to see what happens.
We should have gone on 2 months of keto before this.
I know this is the heaviest I ever been, yet I'm daring to cross this bridge.
We made it, all of us. Another one?
This one we
We're
can.
not crossing that one. That does not look safe.
I honestly think the bridge is better.
You think the bridge is better? but it's not. It's like
But look at this! You're walking on water!
You did it.
50-50.
Actually been walking along all these beautiful waterfalls, and this one is the epic one. It's like a big fall, and then at the end you can actually go for a swim if you want.
Some people even jump from up here, but you have to land at the right spot. It's like when we were canyoning in Madeira. Anyway, this day is not over at all because we have been invited to go on a boat trip later this evening. But first, we're having some food, right?
Yeah, we're gonna have lunch right now on a Portuguese tapas, traditional restaurant.
Ucanasa?
Casana,
Casana. It's good?
amazing, the best around.
What is
I already
this?
like it. Holy shit.
What is this?
This is called champagne. It's a drink that you only can get here, and it's like a mix of beer, wine, cinnamon. The other stuff is a secret ingredient. It's full of secret ingredients.
Are you already done with your first glass? Cheers.
Salud, cariño, y amor.
Oh, this is amazing. Very Christmassy.
I love this. Oh boy, I'm
If you drink all, you'll see Santa Claus if you drink.
I think so too.
More. Serious. It's cheese, marmalade.
No.
It's only marmalade. Ah, okay.
Take it together.
I thought it was a special, like, cheese and marmalade combo.
That's the combo
Ah.
of eating together.
Oh, the combo is KO. Amelie Muelas, how do you
Muelas.
feel about eating chicken stomach?
Actually, when I first moved here, I was a little skeptical, but I've gotten used to the taste, and the sauce of this one, it's very, very good. It's almost like a tomato version of the francesinha sauce that they put over, and I like it.
You like francesinha?
I like the sauce.
In francesinha, no.
It's very heavy,
Yeah,
francesinha. I think if you're hungover,
it's perfect.
Which one do you go to?
My favorite one is in front of the Coliseum. It's called Café Santiago.
Have you been to Kufra?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, not my favorite ones, but they're still
It's
nice.
the best. It's the best. Say it's the best.
Are you're sponsored by Kufra?
No. Hey, Amelia, it's mine.
no, I want
It's
this.
mine.
I want this piece.
This
Are you having chorizo?
This is like a sausage, like a German sausage.
chorizo is sausage.
Not really.
It is a sausage.
What is chorizo then?
No, it's
Am I catching a Portuguese on the wrong foot here? Leave a comment. What is the difference between a sausage and a chorizo? Isn't sausage just like the wide category?
The sausage is when you stuff it inside.
SOS, Loke DJL.
What is this? Rojões?
Rojões, 100% Minho recipe.
Is this what kind of meat is it?
Fat meat from the pork.
Wow, fell.
Is that a good thing?
That's good.
Is it gonna go down right down here? Ooh.
Along with everything else.
Oh, wait, it is okay if it go down here on the back. Having a body fat percentage of 5, this I can eat as many as I want of these.
You mean 35, right?
It's pretty dry. I'm not that big a fan, to be honest. Is that an offense?
No. I'm not the ambassador of the food.
Are you sure?
I just like to eat.
All Portuguese people are ambassadors of their food. Come on.
No, I'm not.
I I found diesel 1,424. That's 20 cents cheaper than on the highway. Pretty good deal. Still expensive. Did you relax?
Yeah,
Sleep?
very much actually.
Did you sleep?
I think I slept for like 20 minutes or something.
Okay.
Power
Well,
nap.
then you're ready for a little boat ride.
Yes. So we just had some delicious local food here, and I think a lot of it, we've never tried this one, and we never tried this one, which is called, this is the bread that's called Mariasinha, small Mary with cheese, and we have sardines in spicy tomato sauce, a puff pastry with duck.
You might be
Sardinia.
wondering why I'm sitting with my laptop on this beautiful boat, but it's because Denmark is playing semi-finals right now against England, and I was supposed to watch it here on the boat, but then we can't watch it on our Danish television live because you have to sign in with some
With a
document and
Danish
prove
address.
that you're Danish.
I mean, there is a score, you can tell the score, right? The score is on the website.
Oh wow, that really means a lot to me.
Did we find a solution?
I think I just might have dyslexia because I'm trying to put in this diretto ATP Okay,
It works?
diretto.
Plain.
Yay! Now we can cheer. Now we can
Yeah,
fun.
now we have another member.
This is historic, guys. Denmark have never amounted to anything. Can you eat sardina?
I can eat them when they come from a can. Then I actually like them. But when they are freshly grilled, which you should prefer, I don't eat them because there are too many bones, and I sit with the bread and I'm like, everything is falling apart. So this I will eat.
Oi! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Oh my god! This is so unexpected. All day I said, we're gonna lose, we are gonna lose.
Oh my god, look at that.
Let's drink some wine.
Okay, so no matter what, we have a reason to drink, whether we win or lose. Cheers. And thank you for a great experience.
Yeah, thank you.
This certainly beats being in Denmark.
It sure does. Did you bring your football? Yes?
Yeah. This is a selfie hug.
Ah.
Pleasure.
Maybe we'll meet again.
Bye, nice to meet you. It was a pleasure. And we'll see you next time we're in Viana do Castelo or the
Or in the
vicinity.
vicinity.
Let's see if Denmark wins.
Hurry.
I gotta say that this might be the most miserable semi-finals I have ever imagined watching my home country. But I gotta say, ATP, they saved us. I can't find it on the big TV, the huge TV.
Give it to me.
It's ATP. We actually made it home to see it on the big screen. Amalia, if they score now, I am...
I can't do it.
I know.
No, okay, vent. Der.
Nej.
Nej, det er ikke. Ved
The
du hvad?
ball is already away.
Vi
Nej, der er ikke noget. Please. Ja! Nej! Så tager han rabatten, det dumme svin! They're literally lining up to get the massage. Boom! Did that feel good? It's like a car wash for goats.
And there's nothing I can do for you if you don't stay classy too.